Hey guys, it's your girl. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be styling and reviewing this beautiful headband wig that was sent to me by a company called To All My Black Girls. Now this company is black owned, so I'm super excited for this video and hope you guys are as well. So the way I prepped my hair for this hairstyle, I cornrowed my hair, but I left a decent amount of hair out in the front because I have thin edges and I just feel like it looks a lot better and neater when your edges are on point. It just makes it look really sleek and nice. So I am just going in with this edge control from TGIN just to help me achieve the desired look that I want for my edges. And I'm personally not too good on sleeking edges or anything like that, so I guess you guys just have to watch what I'm doing and try to pick up from that if you're like me and you do not know what to do with your edges. So yeah, that's all I'm doing right now, trying to get my edges to lay down as neat as possible. So now that my edges are nice and laid, I think I'm happy with how it is looking right now. I'm just gonna put on my stocking cap, and you can use the nude ones, but that is not really necessary unless it is a lace wig, so I like to save my nudes for my lace wigs. So I am just using a black stocking cap for this hairstyle. So the hair came in this really nice packaging that I absolutely love. I love the inside of this packaging. I think it is so cute. Along with my wig, they sent me two clips. These clips right here, so pretty. One is gold and one is silver, and instructions that will help you to know how to take care of your wig. The wig that I got is the Brazilian curls, and this is 20 inches, and my package took a while to get to me, so I am super excited to open it and see what it looks like. This is how it is looking straight out of the package. I did not open it before I started filming, so this is how they sent it to me. So cute. The hair is very soft and I was very impressed with this hair because, as you can see, I am passing my fingers through it and I'm not getting any shedding, I'm not getting any tangles, so that is a win for me. That is a plus for me. So right now I'm just showing you guys the construction of this wig. It is so neat, and it came with 4 clips, one in the front, it have 2, one on each side, and then one in the back. It also has this velcro on the band part of the headband wig so that you can secure it in the back of your head. So you have a lot of security with this wig, and personally I did not use the clips. I just used the velcro to secure the wig on my head, and it was very tight and secure. So right now I'm just showing you guys how the wig is looking straight out of the box. I did go back and style it just a little bit, but I wanted to show you guys how it is looking on my head without me manipulating the hair or anything like that. And as you guys can see, it is very nice. Like, I could have left it just like this and wear it just like this, but I wanted my curls to be a bit more defined, so I did go back and, you know, just personalize the hair just a bit. But this is how it is looking straight out of the box, and I absolutely love it. So to define the curls, all I am doing is spritzing the wig with some water, and I'm not using a lot because I do not want the wig to have like that wet look. I'm just using the water to help me distribute the second product throughout the wig evenly. So now I am going in with this Cantu curling cream to help me define the curls a bit, and I'm not using a lot, I'm just using enough to help me get the desired look that I'm going for. You can add more if you want. You don't have to use as much as I'm using. You can also use gel. It just depends on what you like to use to define your curls. This is what I had, so this is what I'm using, and I was very happy with the results. So this is the final look, guys. I really hope you like it. I absolutely love this hairstyle, and the fact that it's not a lace front and I can just, define the curls, put it on and go is amazing, and I highly recommend this hair. All of the information about this hair will be in my description bar below. I also have a discount code, which is SHAK10, SHAK10. This will give you a 5% discount off of anything on their store. All of the information will be in my description bar for those of you who are interested in purchasing this hair. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you like this video. Make sure you hit the thumbs up if you like this video. Comment in the comment section and let me know if you think you might get yourself a headband wig, and subscribe and hit the bell so that you are notified every time I post. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.